Hello, welcome back. I Azruddin Sheikh, entrepreneur, sales and marketing professional and business consultant. I have heard many people saying that they don't have time to do additional courses because of their routine are hectic. Too much of stress from the day-to-day life. That's the reason they were not able to enroll for any additional courses. And on the other hand, there are many people who want to gain some additional knowledge and they are desperate to enroll for the additional courses which can actually provide weightage in their knowledge and in the professional life, especially job seekers, freshers, entrepreneurs, etc. So the problem for both the cases would be no time and no money. Now all the above points are not valid. Because of the corona lockdown, most of us are working from home. Few of them have got enough time to enroll for the courses for the additional certification or gaining pro knowledge in their respective fields. But for all of you, I want to tell you that actually you can generate passive income source by investing your time wisely during this lockdown apart from learning. It could be on any platform. Don't hesitate to earn more money by learning few new things for yourself. God knows what if it turns out to become one of the new successful unicorn startup of India? Whatever your condition is, now you are getting free premium courses during this lockdown. I'm going to talk about those courses which are actually very expensive during the regular days and we cannot even think of enrolling ourselves for those courses. Now these courses will cost you free of cost. Yeah, $0 for these premium courses. If you are liking this video, then now only please press the like button and let's keep 10k likes as a milestone for this video. Your likes motivates me a lot to make some awesome life-changing videos. I know that this video is gonna change your learning habits and makes you a better person. Come on, utilize this time. You know that you're not gonna get this much of free luxurious time in your life again. Invest this time on yourself. You'll be stand out from all other while pursuing your career. And circulate this video with all the students WhatsApp group, with all youth, family members, with your all friends, a young entrepreneur, job seeker, professional, everyone. They can also improve and convert their personal hidden potential into peak performance. Please share this link to utilize this golden opportunity. If you haven't watched my How to Convert Your Dreams into Achievable Action video, then please go and watch it. Follow my 3-step framework and convert your dreams into reality. A must-watch video for everyone. Before starting this video, I want to ask you one question. Whatever courses I'm gonna show you in this video, you have to tell me in which course you are enrolling yourself. I'm going to reply you on that comment. And also comment if you need a part 2 of this video where I can take suggestions from you and suggest you the best free courses in the market. Please comment. There are many free course sources are available, so comment first which one I should take it from which industry. Alright, let's start the video. I'm gonna take 5 courses name which you can opt right now. So the first course is from Startup India and this course is all about entrepreneurship. The duration of this course is 4 weeks. So if you have a unique idea and if you want to start a startup, then this is a course for you. In this course, they have covered all the points from idea validation to scale up your business to the next level. Indian government have collaborated with Upgrade and made this entrepreneurship course free of cost. The best part of this course is no regular teacher will be teaching you about this course. The CEOs of India's top startups like Snapdeal, Ola, Redbus will be teaching you and explaining you their successful journey. This is gonna be more fun and interesting for budding entrepreneurs. They will get to learn so many things from these experienced leaders. And if you talk about the language, this course is available on both English and Hindi. And again, it will charge you 0 penny. Free it is. If you are planning to start something, then you must enroll yourself for this course. I have given the link in the description, you can go and check. The second course is from TCS Ion. The course is from Tata. I'm gonna make one exclusive video which will be on Tata e-learning platform. Please subscribe my channel to get regular updates about free courses and awesome life-changing videos. If we talk about this course, I want everyone to enroll for this course. This course will definitely help you to sharpen your soft and hard skills. This expensive course will cost you 0 penny. It is free of cost. The duration of this course is 15 days. This course will improve your communication, presentation and behavioral skill to create positive impact in your interviews and workplace. It will also help you for resume writing, GD interview, concept of AI and many more. I have given the link of this course in the description. You can go and check. You'd be thinking that I've given you wrong information on thumbnail about the free premium courses. Now I'm going to talk about those courses which will never be free for you. It will cost you a huge money. So the third course is from Moz Academy. Moz offers one of the best SEO course where they have their own tools and they have their own academy called Moz Academy. You can visit academy.moz.com and enroll yourself. You have to use this promote code to access all the courses free of cost. Let me take you to all the courses and cost of those each course. As you can see the courses and their prices. It's gonna cost you free during this lockdown. So go and enroll yourself to learn something which is trendy. Everyone has to upgrade ourselves. And to upgrade, the best thing is to invest our time in learning what is trendy in the market. If you want to know why you should learn this course, then comment me if you want to make a detailed video about the SEO and digital marketing. While watching also, you can like this video. I have given the link of this course in the description. You can go and check. The fourth course is from Ahrefs Blogging. Earlier I have mentioned about the free SEO courses, which you can utilize this knowledge in your different stream of businesses. Or if you want to be a YouTuber, then you should know about many aspects of SEO. But here in this case, if you want to pursue your career in blogging, then this course is gonna be more than a treat for you. I know you're gonna love me for this suggestion. If you want to become a blogger, Ahrefs have introduced 2 courses which will cost you free of cost. They will be covering 2 main aspects. First is blogging, how to become a blogger, blogging platform, content, topics, niche segments and so on. And the second video is marketing. It means how to make money, how to monetize your blogging platform and all. During the regular days, this course will cost you $800 each. It is expensive to afford, but now it is cost you 0 penny. So utilize this golden opportunity and learn something awesome. The duration of this course is only 5 hours each. It's like you are completing one web series. And about Ahrefs, they are one of the most experienced player in the market. So whatever you're gonna learn is going to be gold. So it's like learn this course in one day and start experiencing from the second day. I have given the link of this course in the description. You can go and check. And the fifth course is from the Udemy. If you don't want to get into blogging, website, SEO, then here is a chance for you to enroll yourself in a skill development course. We have got some exciting courses from Udemy. There are many people who want to enhance their skills. There are varieties of courses for every individual. You name the stream, they have a free course for you to enhance your skills. If you are a coder and you want to learn a new language, then you can enroll for free courses in the stream. You can learn new languages free of cost. If you are interested to know about AWS, AI, programming, photography, presentation skill, if you want to become a good designer, then Udemy is listening to you. They have free courses for that too. Most of the courses they are offering free of cost. It's a good time to grab it. There are more than 200,000 people who have already enrolled themselves in these courses. It is one of the most popular platforms to learn something new. I have given the link of this course in the description. You can go and check. So these are the best trendy premium free courses I've explained you in this video. There are so many sources of free courses are available, but I want to hear it from you. Which is the domain you want to enroll in? On which topic I should make my next video? Please suggest me in the comment section below. Let me know whether you need part 2 of this video. And also you have to promise me. You have to comment me in the below on which courses you have enrolled yourself. I have given you 5 courses. It doesn't mean that you have to enroll on all the 5 courses. This opportunity to learn these courses free of cost will never get you in your life. So utilize this opportunity given by God. Use your time or lose your time. It is not a work from home time. It is a learn from home time. I always make videos which can create a huge difference in you and will be helping you to increase your learning. Try to take out some time from your day-to-day social engagement or entertainment to watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel for the regular awesome life-changing videos, and you can also join us on our social platform Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for more engagements. If you haven't watched our video on how to become successful, then please watch it. I have given the link in the description. I am telling you, it will give direction to your dream to convert it as reality. I have also given free frameworks which you can apply and become successful. Thanks for sharing this video, and also thanks for being with me. Last me signing off, and I will see you in the next one.